Good afternoon. In today's video, I will show you how to practically use the rest of some wool. Make a headband. So I have thick wool left. For needle number 9. I will cast on 8 stitches with a simple cast on. So this is how I cast on. Index finger and thumb. I pass through the middle. I grab the thread. It's 2 loops. Three. 4. So all the time like this, 5. 6. 7. 8. Cast on 8 stitches. And knit. It means knit the first stitch. And knit all the others. So this is how you knit. You thread the needle. This is how you wrap the working yarn, make a loop around the needle and remove. The whole row. Knit like this are the easiest, and that's exactly why it's so good to work with. Headband. This is just the width. So you turn the work over and repeat. And so you will make 50 centimeters. So grab the yarn and pull it through. If you don't know how to do this, you can wrap it this way. You just wrap the thread like this. See, you always pass it on equal way through the loop, and now just wrap this yarn like this, and pull it through. So when you thread the needle, you wrap from front to back. And now just repeat until the end. Turn the work over and repeat. If you knit all the time, the work looks like this. This is its length. I said 50 centimeters, but when you try it on, stretch it. Since this is for you very stretchy, and it should be on the head so that it does not fall. Now, I did sufficient length. It needs to be finished. You finish like any other work, so. You pass the needle through 2 loops, catch the thread and pass it through like this. Make a new loop and this one put and back on the needle. And repeat. So, put a new stitch back on the needle every time. You thread the needle through 2, catch the thread and pull through. You have a new loop. Now put this back on the needle. And so, until the end of the row. So. I pull the needle through the last 2 stitches, grab the thread. And pull through. Now I cut this thread much longer like this. And I put it through this hole. Look. Now you need to fold the tape like this. This is her appearance. And connect both ends. For this, you need a needle with a big hole. If this will be the main part of your work, the work is the same on both sides, then you grab this outer, I like this here, for the outer. Thread and pull through. That way you will connect the tape nicely. Here. You still have to start like this, and I will now connect like this. That I don't have a hole there. On the inside, I'll fasten. And like this, through the edges. Pass. I will cut this part off and repeat the process. From this side. This is how I always like to do it along the edge. And cut off. Some people like this part to be different, so they wear the tape on this side, while others turn it over the seam is almost invisible on this side. So, you can wear it on both sides, because they are equal. The headband is finished. I hope you like it. Keep following me, and don't forget to subscribe.